Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're cleaning this dirty, nasty, wet Shirley Fabrication 24x55 offset. We got a few steps, we're just gonna go down the list. First thing, this is a light cleaning. We're not gonna power wash it, we're not gonna hit any degreaser. All I'm gonna do is scrape the grates, scrape both grates, and push all that gunk down to the bottom. Get all that gunk out of the bottom, come back and hit the grates in the bottom with a light coating of Pam, and we're gonna close the doors. Come back and wipe the exterior down with a little bit of a dry cloth with a tiny bit of Dawn dish soap, just to get everything nice and clean. Then I'm gonna come back and hit this stainless steel, one is ZEP stainless steel cleaner and polisher, all in one. And that's gonna make that nice and beautiful. We're gonna wipe out wheels and tires off, and after we do that, we're gonna hit that with some Armor Raw tire shine. And then the last thing we're gonna do is build a small hot fire in the firebox and let this cooker heat up, get that oil coated on, and then we'll be ready for the next cook. No more talking, let's get cleaning. Hey family, if you guys are liking this cleaning video so far, please consider hitting the like button. It really would help the channel, and also hitting subscribe. You'll be the first to see my barbecue and my Shirley FAB cooking on this beautiful offset. All right, it's time to start the fire. We're just going to make a small little hot fire. We're going to run it for about 3 hours, ranging from 275 to 375. I'm going to be around the house doing little chores and getting that thin blue smoke as we see here. After the 3 hours, this is the inside. The oil is baked on. We have a nice dark rich color. The grates are clean. The smell is awesome. We're ready for the next cook. This Shirley is running great, no faults at all. It's clean. It's ready for the next big cook. And right here, I'm gonna zoom out. We're gonna see how shiny the stainless steels is, how shiny the wheels are, and I'm excited. Guys, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all your support. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.